Warrior Gamer.
What's up guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we are at Loon Lake! Woo! Guys, this is a turtle. Oh my god, we're actually touching a turtle. Touch him! Don't. No, oh, let it go. Bye bye guys. Let it go. You look beautiful. Yes. Statue. It's eating it. It's eating. Oh no, come back. Oh no. Papa. Hey. Where's a call? Not far, y'all. Oh, yes. Go. Yeah, good job, turtle. Yeah. Does she come back here? I'll catch it. Ever. Dad! Don't catch it. Let me sit there. Don't come for us to eat. You got a friend. Let's go. You want some more? You want some more? Oh! Cool down. Because it got two turtles. Oh! Training! Okay guys, so now we're going fishing for crawfish.
Look, guys, look. Look, we got a baby monster or a big monster. So, yeah. Rafi, can I have a small one?
Yes.
Come here. Yeah.
I just have to get this.
I'm going to help you. I'm just going to look about. That's you want to go.
Guys, you see anything? Comment down below. What is that thing? Oh, I see the dish different. This one right here. Oh, right here.
One big one.
Oh my god, that's the jackal. Who got blue claws? Got it! I got it. It's in there. Hello? Yep, I got it! Wait, or did we? Oh, it's in there! Yeah! Let's go! A blue one! A blue claw! Oh, what's with the under here? Oh shit, I'm so scared to put it in there. Oh my god.
Guys, it's the best thing ever! Yes!
Hiyo! It's in there. Oh my god! God, look at that baby! Jill, good job. I can't find a single one.
Mommy, I found that one. Mommy, do you know I found this one?
Yeah, and you know what? That guy has a blue claw.
That means
You are very good at hunting. Oh, I see one. Under this rock. I don't know if I can touch it. Okay.
Bro, I found it, yeah?
Good job, Mommy.
Bro, I found a real one.
There's a crawfish under this.
Mommy, I found a real one, yeah?
Yeah, that's a big one right there. There you go. I got a big one on my. He's hiding. You think he can hide from the great hunter? Can't. Adios! Oh, we got a... Come here. Oh God, okay, swim. I want on a big rock, guys. Big.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my vlog. See, we got some fish. We got all this fish. And we got a few big ones. And this fish is so slimy. And we're going to right now eat it. Let's go, and it's going to be a good day. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.
Okay, guys. So look. So we caught some fish. So we got, and I'm in the biggest one. I think we got just this one. Look at it. Look how big it looks.
And this is the giant.
Yeah, that's the giant. Yeah, they're usually going crazy on map. See? Look how beautiful it looks. Guys, now we're gonna cook them, eat them, and I'm gonna eat it because I hate seafood. Bye bye.